If you're looking for a fast, modern Arch-based Linux distro, then CachyOS is definitely one you need to try. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install CachyOS on VMware Workstation, even if you've never installed Linux before. We'll download CachyOS, create a virtual machine, install it, and boot straight into the desktop. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official CachyOS website. On the download page, you'll notice that CachyOS comes in two main versions. The desktop version is what most users want. It's made for laptops, desktops, and virtual machines, and it comes with full desktop environments like KDE Plasma. Then there is the handheld version, which is designed specifically for gaming handheld devices like Steam Deck-style systems. It's optimized for controllers, power efficiency, and small screens. For this tutorial, we'll download the desktop ISO, since it's stable, beginner-friendly, and works perfectly in VMware Workstation. After downloading the ISO, open VMware Workstation and click Create a new virtual machine. The settings to choose: on Configuration, select Typical, and in the installer disk image, select the CachyOS ISO you just downloaded. On version, select Other Linux 64-bit. Give your virtual machine a name like CachyOS Linux. On disk size, give the VM at least 40 gigabytes. You should give it at least 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes of memory if possible. For the processor, at least 2 cores. When you see the boot menu, just press Enter to start CachyOS in live mode. After a few seconds, you'll be greeted by the CachyOS Live desktop. There is no password, just press Enter to log in. When it fails, change to Wayland. On the desktop, click Install to launch the installer. For the bootloader, just select Grub if you are a beginner. Select your language and location. Here, select your keyboard layout. We only created one virtual disk, so just click on Erase Disk and leave everything else at the default. Unless you want to encrypt your disk or change the file system, this is one of the areas where CachyOS really stands out. Unlike most Linux distributions that only give you 2 or 3 choices, CachyOS offers almost 20 different desktop environments and window managers to choose from. Now, this means CachyOS can be customized for any type of user, from complete beginners to developers to power users running lightweight systems or tiling window managers. If you're coming from Windows or you're new to Linux, these are the easiest options to start with. KDE Plasma. This is the most popular choice. It's modern, fast, highly customizable, and very familiar to Windows users. GNOME offers a clean, minimal workflow focused on productivity with fewer distractions and smooth animations. Cinnamon's simple, traditional, and extremely beginner-friendly, especially for users migrating from Windows. If you're installing CachyOS on older hardware or want maximum performance, these options are perfect. XFCE, very light, stable, and fast. LXQT, minimal memory usage. Mate, traditional layout with low system overhead. These desktops use very little RAM and CPU, making CachyOS ideal even for older systems or virtual machines. And if you're unsure, KDE Plasma is the safest and most balanced choice. You can always install or switch to another desktop environment later without reinstalling the entire system. For this tutorial, I'll stick with KDE Plasma since it works perfectly in a virtual machine and is ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Just click Install and the installation will begin. Installation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your system. When the installation finishes, restart the system. And just like that, welcome to your fresh CachyOS installation. After logging in, I recommend doing a system update, and that's how you install CachyOS on VMware Workstation. If you're coming from Windows or another Linux distro, CachyOS feels fast, responsive, and modern, especially for Arch-based users. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe for more Linux content, and let me know in the comments if you want a dual boot or bare metal install guide next.